Your question is, the Finance Commission is primarily concerned with recommending to the President about. Your options are A. The principal governing grants and aid to be given to the states. B. Distributing the net proceeds of the taxes between the center and the states. C. Neither A nor B, or D. Both A and B. Right answer is D. Both A and B. The principal governing grants and aid to be given to the states and distributing the net proceeds of the taxes between the center and the states. Your question is, with reference to the Finance Commission of India, which of the following statements is correct? Your options are A. It encourages the inflow of foreign capital for infrastructure development. B. It facilitates the proper distribution of finances among the public sector undertakings. C. It ensures transparency in financial administration. Or D. None of the statements A, B and C given above is correct in this context. Right answer is D. None of the statements A, B and C given above is correct in this context. Your question is, which one of the following is not a function of Finance Commission in India? Your options are A. Devolution of income tax. B. Devolution of excise duty. C. Award of grants and aid. Or D. Devolution of trade tax. Right answer is D. Devolution of trade tax. Your question is, Federal Finance Commission in India relates to. Your options are A. Finances among the states. B. Finances between states and the center. C. Finances between the center and local self-governments. Or D. None of these. Right answer is B. Finances between states and the center. Your question is, main agency to resolve the fiscal disputes between the center and states is. Your options are A. Supreme Court. B. Law Minister. C. Finance Minister. Or D. Finance Commission. Right answer is A. Supreme Court. Your question is, the provisions regarding division of taxes between the union and the states. Your options are A. Can be suspended during financial emergency. B. Can be suspended during national emergency. C. Cannot be suspended under any circumstances. Or D. Can be suspended only with the consent of a majority of the state legislatures. Right answer is B. Can be suspended during national emergency. Your question is, who recommends the distribution of finance between union and the states? Your options are A. Ministry of Finance. B. Finance Commission. C. Reserve Bank of India. Or D. NABARD. Right answer is B. Finance Commission. Your question is, who was the chairman of the 12th Finance Commission? Your options are A. A.M. Khusro. B. K.C. Pant. C. Montek Singh. Or D. C. Rangarajan. Right answer is D. C. Rangarajan. Your question is, who was the chairman of the 13th Finance Commission? Your options are A. Indra Rajaraman. B. C. Rangarajan. C. Vijay Kelkar. Or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Vijay Kelkar. Your question is, the State Finance Commission is a. Your options are A. Legal body. B. Non-statutory body. C. Constitutional body. Or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Constitutional body.